So let's look at a book. It's a home improvement book from Germany from the 70s or something like this. Maybe we can find a date. Oh yeah, it's from 1981. Crafting. Yeah. Well, to make a duck out of wood and then they glue stuff to it. Oh, candles. That's like in trend again. I have to do the candles by diving them in. Oh yeah, beeswax. That's old German style here. Yeah, just paint them, then clear coat them. Yeah, if you want to do this, just screenshot the pattern here, print it out and use it as a stencil. And now then you get this repeating pattern. Quite cute. Lamps. Those are PVC pipes. That's recognized immediately. And they look very 80s, I have to say. Old kitchen supplies. A Coke can, that's a cool idea. I don't know, just something a bit unique. I have one of them in my workshop. Oh yeah, that looks good, very 80s. Oh, my old oven pipe. Ha! Old cake forms. Yeah, mirror. Ubica kind of woven materials. Yeah, the Asian kind of paper, kind of thingy style. But in combination with wicker stuff, that looks kind of nice. Yeah. Here they have an instruction how you can build it. Give you a slow scan here. You can always pause the video and zoom in. Yeah, the showcases with stuff in it. Ooh, that's my style. Cars. Or even this here. Ooh, this. Here they show you how you built them. Mirrors. Yeah, the casting of those elements, that's also, again, returned with those silicone mold forms. A chess game out of nuts and bolts. Well, that's a creative idea. Great gift for a guy. Oh yeah. Yeah, just a visit to the hardware store variant. Here they just use this tape to make the pattern here. Neat idea. Nope. A good old shelving out of cinder blocks. Yeah. Always looks good. That's a new one here. Standard bricks. or with a light in it, or bricks as a storage device. Yeah. Talking about a shelf, I have a DIY shelf here myself. This used to be a old plastic box, now it's cut up and screwed to the wall. Yeah, here we have something to hang your clothes, including, oh, well, we know it. Sherlock Holmes is a DIY fan, I always know it. Here we see how you can build it. Give you a little steady shot of the text. You can always translate it, it's all in German obviously. A pin board, you know, like your conspiracy wall, which I totally have, and just a not so tinfoil version of it. Oh yeah, that's pine cones and stuff. They just take them. I did this second last Christmas. I just glue sticks to them, paint them, clear coat them, and they look like beautiful flowers. Yeah, that's kind of a neat idea. Now we're playing with rope. To make a little cozier, you need a board. Wine bottle. Oh yeah. That is one of these 80s things that has to come back. Sand paintings. You just take a board, draw on the lines, then you paint glue on the part, and you put colored sand on it. Just like they show it here. Paint it, then you get the sand off it, clean it off, and then you do the other parts with other colors of sand till you have a nice 80s looking painting. I like that. It's a nice texture and it's a very easy DIY, and yeah, you can even do recessed things if you have patience for it. Just different layers and then sand over it. And here we got a few patterns for you, so I give you a steady shot to screenshot. A woven material for folders like this, so you have a print kind of thing. Pearl curtain without pearls. Well, wood pearls. Yeah, I mean that's easy. That's an easy thing to do, but you need the idea though. For your toast, I mean I eat it fresh out of the toaster, I like it warm, but that's an easy DIY. Nice Mother's Day gift if you like your toast cold and British. Knitting. Ooh. For the old TV fans like me. That's a nice pattern here. Yeah, little dolls. Here we got some patterns, but frankly don't know much about knitting and stuff like this. Okay, that's a different style of knitting. Okay. I mean, that's hey, to do it, you have a complete carpet going. But if you use thick wool, yeah, that's very 70s here. Now the wind is crashing up. More of those techniques. If you want to see anything in special, Yeah, just let me know. I can send you a picture or the book if you like it. That's an old style of bed. Oh, comfortable but old. More knitting and fabricking. That's actually what I do as a hobby occasionally, you know. I'm a bit more intricate stuff like this here. But yeah, you go through it. Hello. Okay then. Oh, they like the fabric craft here. Yeah, she doesn't seem to be too happy with it. For the foot guys. Don't worry, she's 18 now. Probably 50. Yeah, that's like... Yeah. Flushy carpets. We like them. They are comfortable to the feet. Some pattern. Just for those who are interested in looking it up closer. I mean, I like me a flushy carpet. Psychedelic. Yeah, this is still more like 70s. Comfortable, but it looks like something to eat. Veggie pizza or something. Oh no, I'm getting hungry. Should have talked about pizza. Yeah. Oh yeah, some stuff you need. Cozy. Cozes. Sewing. For the machine. Mine is broken. Curtains. Don't eat those burgers. Grandfather, I assume. They look fresh. I like this kind of idea with the warning pattern kind of thing here. Yeah, not much technical DIYs in it. More like for the female audience. More for the foot guys. Yeah, just making fun here. This hasn't been used often, it's like still very stiff. Bed blankets and cozies. Yeah, patchwork kind of stuff. But they show here the steps quite good. Yeah. These sides are getting hard to turn. Oh no, how cute. No comments. More patchwork kind of thing. That is good. Yeah, that's what we like to see here. Good Bavarian broadside. Weizen, Ruddy, salmon, and some sausage here, and obviously got a jug of beer. And they did a denim kind of underlay here. Here's the pattern. Why not? Oh, that's the best part. How you make a teddy bear. Oh, cute. Give you a big picture here, and then we zoom in. You need the filling. Cut out those pieces, buttons for the eyes. And then you trace it, saw it down, and turn it inside out, and you're finished. It's easy and it works, especially if you can get some fluffy kind of fabric. And here we have the teddy bear pattern, which I have to show you. So you can screenshot it, print it, and have your teddy bear. Ja, and this was Schöne Dinge für zu Hause. Beautiful Things for at Home. A DIY book from 1981. And it doesn't have any barcode because barcode came in Germany 1984.